इल्लिंद पर्यावरण प्रदूषण.
Respected judges and all my dear friends and teachers. Myself Pratik Singh. I am from Jaipur. I am 17 years old and I study in Sri Bhavanathan Public School. And today I have got a chance to explain environmental issues and pollution. We all know that we are facing a lot of problems in today's life, just like air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and extra. We all know that we are making such a pollution by ourselves.
इस पर
We all are making use of polythene day by day heavier than else. We all know that the use of polythene and plastic is very dangerous to our health, but we are not stopping yet. We all know that the pollution may cause many different diseases, but we are not stopping today. Let's take the water pollution. Too many industries and big factories of metropolitan cities are having their best in rivers and canals. These are making very populated rivers and canals. That we I'm coming back again to the land pollution. User polythene, different types of user polythene. The polythene is a non-biodegradable waste. It remains thousands years ago and thousands years remains constant in the soil. It can't be degradable with the help of manures and fertilizer. It will be same as present as in future. By the use of polythene, we are getting the ozone layer is getting depleted day by day. Hole in ozone layer that may affect our life day by day. Ozone layer depletion means a lot of problem in the future. By the depletion of ozone layer, the Antarctica glacier is melting day by day. We all know that, but no one is taking action against it. Talk about
एक
air
सेकंड
pollution.
फिर से बोलो. अभी वो बोला ना एक लाइन पहले.
This is land pollution.
हाँ तो अभी फिर से बोलना.
This is land pollution. Now talking about air pollution. We all know that what is air pollution. The pollution created by the man's which affect air. We all know that O2, oxygen level is less in our environment. CO2 is increasing day by day. Trees are cut down by day. Deforestation is doing day by day. Recently in Madhya Pradesh, there are 2 lakh of trees were cut down. We all know that deforestation affects a lot soil erosion, water intensity, and air pollution. If trees help to maintain CO2 and O2 in environment. If CO2 will not pure, then how will we survive? Second point, use of wastage of industries in form of a smoke. Vehicles used by day by man, and many other things, many other sources. We all have to take a right action against it. We have to use less as we can use. We should start use of cycle as place of motorcycle. Now I am talking about sound pollution. Sound pollution, we all know that a man can able to hear only about 20,000 hertz of sound. But nowadays there are too many sounds created by the men from industries and from the private jets. Private jets have the supersonic waves sounds that can affect and then can make a man dumb. And a man, we all have to be worried about our pollutions and such, make our environment clean. It's pollution is like a sustainable development. If we will pollute today, then future will be regretted by us. If we will make today city clean, city or environment clean, then future will be clean. So we will all have to take action against it. May I hope that you all have understand what I said. Thank you to all and have a good day to all of you.